Well, we are in luck, friends. I stopped at the mailbox on the way to the fair, and look what came today. Decals for the 2-cylinder tractor. So we're gonna go ahead and put those on, even though this may be a mistake, but I'm too excited to not do it. So here we go. All right, welcome back. If you haven't seen my videos before, I'm Ross the Oliver Man, but today I'm gonna be the John Deere Man, and we're gonna try to put the decals on my family B. So let's get going and see what happens. I'm not an expert, but I think I know where most of them go. If I was real smart, I'd get out the picture of it originally and make sure of where they go. Okay, about right there, it started originally. Because I can see it in the pictures. They were about right there. Now, I guess that's not a... Oh boy. Kind of nerve-wracking now. Very nervous. $67 worth of decals. Looks clean to me. That's not what I wanted. See if I can iron that out a little bit. I think I can. I am not too smart, you know. Nope, definitely not. That wrinkle out of there. Massage the stickers. Come on. I think they're pretty good. Oh, I don't know. That looks kind of gooder. Sure. More better than it was. Perfect? Probably not. All right. We can only screw it up, so. Yeah. Right there. This is the first set of decals I've ever put on a Deere. Not bad. Not bad. All right. What's left? Well, one of them is for the seat back, so we're not going to do that. This one goes on the front of the seat. What's left? Well, all these. It's coming along. You just got to put a few little ones on. Yep. Right like that there. I'm gonna hold off on these other two because I don't know where they go. Have to do some quick research. Let's pick up our trash. Well, I have 3 left. The one for the seat back, because I don't know yet if that's supposed to be green or black. I've got one that says something about the PTO, and I can't remember if it goes there or if it goes in the back of this. And then I got one that talks about driving at safe speeds, and I thought that it went up here on my back side of this, but it's kind of wide and I don't know if that's right. So I'm going to look in the operator's book and see what it shows. But that makes it look much more better. The first time I've ever seen it with stickers on it. I don't think in my lifetime, even when it was original, I don't think you could hardly read them anymore. So, pretty nifty. I could have probably done a better job on that one on the battery box, but it is what it is. You just don't look at it too close. But yeah, that makes it look complete. Good deal. I did kind of look at this one, but see, it's a little bit different. And also I noticed this set that I got did not come with all this kind of little stuff. So I guess that's just a nobody makes those type deal. I don't know. I have to check up on that, because this one did have a patent sticker thing on the back in one place, I remember. And I can't really look at the G for the clues because I think it's different. The steering post is different. And see, it's got a riveted plate on there. So I don't know. We'll have to investigate and see what we can find out. But like I said, I will use the operator's book, and I think that will tell us what we need to know. But yeah, pretty snazzy. As always, if you enjoy my videos, give them a thumbs up. That helps out the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Leave a comment. Tell me that you liked it or tell me that you hated it. Tell me I'm a moron. I really don't care, but anything that you say helps us out too. So thank you again, as always, for watching, and I will see you in the next one.